All right, let's say you're in class, you've worked on your project, you've saved it to your documents folder, and with a two on the end, underscore two, and yet you're in class, but you didn't get it done in class. Now we have this deal where we've got in-class learning and at-home learning, and we're trying to work through the electronics of that. Okay, so what do you do? Well, you've got that file sitting on the College Place High School server. Now you're sitting at home with your laptop. How do you get to it? Well, as you can probably guess, you can go to your remote student link, and I'm going to go out to the stream and locate that, which is a ways down. There we go. I've got both the old and the new version of remote student. The new version wasn't working so well, so I kept the old version out there. So I'm going to click on that out on my stream. And again, it comes up as an audio file. It looks all kind of weird. But you have in the upper right-hand corner, you have those three dots. And again, I'm going to click on the three dots, say open a new window. And it still doesn't look quite right. Then in the upper right-hand corner, you can click on that download. And it'll actually download that remote student. It's called a script file. It's like a little text file that's running a bunch of commands. And in the bottom of your screen there where that yellow File Explorer button is, if you go to that and go to Downloads, you can see I've just downloaded that remote student file. Of course, I've done it 6 times now, but if this was your first time, that's where you would find it right there, the remote student. Click on it. It's going to say, ask you to connect. All right. I'm going to type inside kind of like some random student here to log in. I hope this works. Logging in as a student. And it pulls up your remote student desktop. Well, where's the file I was working on? In this case, I was working on PowerPoint. I believe it was PowerPoint Chapter 2. And if you get into Remote Student, and you click on the yellow File Explorer while you're in Remote Student, now you can see if I go to my Documents folder, I can see that PowerPoint file that's in my name. Now understand, you've got to save it at school to your Documents folder with a 2 on the end. If you save it to your downloads or some other place, you're not going to be able to get to it. So in this case, I could just open it up for Remote Student if I wanted to. And it opens up in PowerPoint, in this case, PowerPoint 2016. And you can continue working and you can save that file and then upload it for grading. So that's a way to kind of bridge that. I'm working on my computer at school, I'm working on my laptop at home, and that's how you can finish an assignment if you're kind of halfway between the two. And if you have questions, please drop me a line and let me know. All right, take care, enjoy your day.